Hello there, welcome to Manifested e-learning forum. My name is Emlyn Ngwiri and I'll be taking you through alternative investment analysis block revision. We are looking at May 2017 question 2. Question 2 reads as follows: describe the role played by each of the following outside service providers in the creation and operation of alternative investments: advocates, hedge fund infrastructure, consultants, fund administrators, depositories, and custodians right there. So we can begin by mentioning the following. So we are looking at alternative investment analysis block revision. We are looking at May 2017. That now we can be able to look at question 2 and begin by saying the following. We have been told to explain the roles played by advocates. So in number 1, we are saying advocates. We can say that they provide legal advice. They provide legal advice. Regarding optimal fund and maintain regulatory restrictions for fund managers. That's what they do. They provide legal advice relating to optimal fund structure and maintain regulatory restrictions on behalf of the fund. There, number 2. We are saying it's hedge fund infrastructure. Hedge fund infrastructure. So we can provide advocates, hedge fund infrastructure. We say includes platforms. Data providers. Even including softwares, yes, and softwares used in the alternative investment airspace. Next, we can look at consultants, number 3. Consultants. What do consultants do? They provide objective. You can say that they provide objective advice regarding portfolio. Regarding portfolio allocation. Portfolio allocation and investment manager selection. And we can say investment manager selection and investment manager selection. Now, once we've looked at those, we think we still have two more. There is fund administrators. 4, that's 3, this is 4. Fund administrators. Fund administrators. We say responsible for verifying. Responsible for verifying. Verifying operational controls and performance fees. Operational controls and performance. I said performance fees, I meant performance figures. Performance figures. Next is depositories and custodians. 5. And custodians. Depositories and custodians. We can say that they hold client assets and provide information. They hold clients' assets and provide information, services, and trade clearances. Information, services, and trade clearances. That, or they are the ones who allow trades to actually be cleared within the alternative investments airspace there. More so in terms of hedge fund clearances there.